So delighted to be here at the first industrial scale SOEC factory in Europe. It really has taken my breath away. This is the birth of a new industry. This is the place where new energy begins. It begins with Topsoe's technology turning water into energy.
So it's hard not to be impressed. I mean, it's like being a witness to the future in the making, really. The factory here is something that EIFO has been part of financing, and finally seeing it all come together. Super complex, but somehow, I don't know, Topsoe makes it look easy, and I know it's not, but that's the impression.
Our mission as a company is to deliver a more sustainable future. And really what we'd like to see is the growth and development of these energy transition projects, and to be at the forefront of the world going forward to help decarbonise and really move forward with the energy transition and net zero.
As an off-taker, in the end we want to sell those molecules. We want to bring those decarbonized ammonia molecules to the demand centers. And therefore it's important for us to see how it happens, who does it. I think a combination of Danish, US, German specialists make a difference and give us high comfort that what we get in the end is meeting the quality standards.
Yeah, it's amazing. So very clean and very sophisticated design and architecture. I was very impressed. So we are very looking forward to start to the commercial production for several years after.
We have grown together. We have grown as a company with Topsoe's contributions to our thinking. We couldn't have gotten here to this point if we hadn't collaborated, shared learning, shared our thinking, and worked together to this end. And we'll keep on doing this. We'll get this product in the ground, producing green hydrogen into green ammonia to be the beginning of the new energy industry.